Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account cannot be created at this time. So guys, if you want to create your Apple ID on your iPhone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back. And guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings here, and guys, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then guys you need to connect first, and guys after doing this you need to go back. Secondly, so guys, if you have logged any Apple ID, you need to log out your Apple ID, means sign out your Apple ID, and guys you need to create your new Apple ID from here. So guys, if facing this type of issue, then guys you need to go back and guys open your App Store. And guys, after opening your App Store, you need to click on this profile icon, and guys after this you need to sign out your old ID. After signing out, so guys, you will be able to create your new Apple ID from App Store. And guys, now you will be able to create your new Apple ID easily from App Store. And guys, another method is you need to open any browser. So guys, for example, I am going to open this one. And guys, after opening your browser, here you need to search Apple ID. So guys, simply you need to create this one, and guys you need to click on here the option of how to create new Apple ID. You need to click on this one, as you can see, and guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys, here is the option of create your Apple ID on iPhone or iPad, and guys here you can see you will find this type of interface. So guys, you will find a link through you can create your Apple ID. So guys, there are ways to create. So guys, now I am going to find that link. So guys, here you can see here is the website, that is appleid.apple.com. Simply you need to open this website, and guys when you have opened this website, then guys simply there are two options. First one is sign in, and second one sign up. So guys, simply you need to sign up, click on sign up. So guys, after clicking on sign up, then guys you will be able to create your new Apple ID from here easily. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.